we all have testicles, we all have
Yeah.
backsides, we all have breasts. Like, why shy away from that? Have you seen the new Sure Whole Body Deodorant ad? It features characters applying Sure deodorant to, well, basically various and all parts of the body. Some would say it's a little bit graphic in its portrayal, with more intimate body parts being sprayed with deodorant. Is this clickbait gone mad? We all have testicles, we all have
Yeah.
backsides, we all have breasts. Like, why shy away from that?
Is it shying away, or is it realizing that, exposing sexual content to children is pretty icky for the children? It's uncomfortable for the children to experience it. I'm not saying showing nudity is an uncomfortable experience, but showing sexual imagery, and there's a sexual vibe to this that is quite explicit right from the beginning.
Look, I absolutely agree with you. Whenever I make this point, people say, "Oh, you've been a prude, and it's repressive Ireland again, and all that." What say you to that charge?
Well, I'd be all for erotica. I'd be all for sex scenes. I'd be all for kind of beautiful sex scenes that might turn people on at the right time. I don't think it should be in front of children.